Definition: determination involving direct titration with iodine due to oxidizing powder of iodine in aqueous solution. Such type of titrations are called iodometric titrations. Principle: oxidation and reduction process involving I2 is called in general as iodometric titrations. The direct titration with a standard solution of I2 is termed as iodometric. Solutions of I2 are weak oxidizing agents that are used for the determination of strong oxidizing agents. The most accurate description of the half reaction for I2 in the application is I3 plus 2E3I, E equals 0.536 V, where I3 is the triiodide ion. Standard I2 solutions have relatively limited applications compared with the other oxidants because of their significantly smaller electrode potential. A solution of I2 in aqueous media has an intense yellow to brown color. Since I2 solution can serve as its own indicator, self-indicator. However, in practice, starch solution is used as an indicator for the most accurate endpoint. Standardization of 0.05 m I2 using S2O3. Dissolve about 14 gm of I2 in a solution of 36 gm of Ki in 100 milliliters of water. 2. Standardization of I2 solution. Weigh accurately about. Dilute with 40 milliliters of water, add 0.1 milliliters of methyl orange solution and add drop-wise dilute HCl until the yellow color is changed to pink. Add 2 gm of NaHCO3, dilute with 50 milliliters of water and add 3 milliliters of starch solution as indicator. Titrate with prepared I2 solution until permanent blue color is produced.